Good morning, judges. My name is Arya Samant. I am 19 years old, and my topic for today is how can women become physically and mentally capable? So, let me start my speech by saying my choices are like my fingerprints. They are unique. It's my choice to walk wherever I want and to wear whatever I wish. It's my choice to live whenever I want and to be the person I always dreamed of. I'm not an object. I have a voice and something to say. But in all fairness, I want to be seen as a perfect woman too. I mean, I don't want to be timid. I'm not the same girl I was at 15. This world has taught me to look pretty, to get a degree, but never disagree with misogyny. But this world has not taught me that being a woman is living in a fear that your basic health care might disappear, that your paycheck might be smaller than the man that does the same job. But we are used to it all, and we are applauded, you see. We don't know what it's like to be free. Equality is not just calling someone out. Equality is accountability, that my brother knows that I'm equal to him. Equality is education, from classroom to courtroom to conference room to computer screens. Equality is truth. It's strong voices. It's breaking through the silence that exists. Because silence cannot exist if it's not tolerated. It's raising the next generation of girls to know that their voices matter and it will be heard. And that's why we hold power in our hand. We'll not just sit back and nod while certain people reconcile the rules of fertility. Let's make it clear. It's my body, my decision. My father has always taught me to fight against injustice of all kinds. And we'll fight until the end, and we'll fight till we hold our rights. So, for women of every color, shape, size, and sexual identity and place in this world, I want to tell you that freedom is our right and we will achieve it. But how we will achieve it? That's the question, right? It's a two-step process. Education and financial independence. In Marathi, there is a beautiful saying, Mulgi shikli, pragati zhali. Education is a key of successful and powerful nation. And this education system should consist of sex education, mental health, and basic knowledge about women's body. It should teach its girls from young age about menstrual cycle and menstrual hygiene so that they can become confident young women of this nation. And second, it's financial independence. But why is financial independence so important? Financial independence not only gives you confidence, but it also gives women credibility to participate in important decision making for herself and her family, especially for women who comes from abusive background. When women take charge of their life and they become financially independent, their life gets better much more than before. That's why women should be financially independent. And when it comes to financial independence, we usually blame it on society. But as a woman, I think it's equally our responsibility to chase our dreams. It doesn't matter at what age or what stage of life you are. Each phase has its own objectives and rules. But these objectives and goals should strive for only one thing. That's women empowerment and how we women can be physically and mentally become capable. And how we all ladies can become young, responsible adults of this nation. Thank you.